In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name on your OpenTable account. If you need to update your first name, last name, or both on OpenTable, the process is quick and straightforward when done through the OpenTable website. I'll walk you through each part clearly so you can make the change without any confusion. To begin, open your web browser and go to OpenTable.com. Once the site loads, log into your account using your usual sign-in details. Make sure you're signing into the correct account before making any profile changes, especially if you use more than one email address or have shared access to different devices. After you're logged in, look for the profile icon. This is usually located near the top area of the page. Click on that profile icon to open your account menu. From there, choose My Profile to access your account details. This is the section where OpenTable stores the personal information connected to your account. When you're on the profile page, look for the option to edit your information. Click Edit to begin making changes. You should now be able to update your first name, your last name, or both, depending on what you need. Take a moment to type the new name carefully and double-check the spelling before saving. This is important because your account name may appear in reservations and other account-related details. Once you've entered the correct name, click Save Changes. That will apply the update to your OpenTable profile. In most cases, the change should take effect right away, so your updated name will now be attached to your account information. If you don't immediately see the updated name, try refreshing the page or navigating away and back to your profile. Sometimes a simple refresh helps confirm that the update has been saved properly. It's also a good idea to review the profile page one more time after saving, just to make sure everything looks exactly the way you want it. And that's all it takes to change the name on your OpenTable account through the website. Just log in, open the profile icon, go to My Profile, click Edit, update your name, and save your changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your OpenTable account quickly and easily.